Hi, welcome to my channel APG.Studio. My name is Alicia, fitness yoga expert, and big question. I've got the shoulder pain, what to do? You've been exercising, you love your workouts, and now what? You need to stop. Yeah, I know you can work with your legs, you can do the workout, but if it's very painful, even movement can still affect the part of your body, shoulder, left or right. So my advice is, if you really want full recovery, first 3 days recovery time, which means you're not doing anything. Okay, put the ice pack like 3 times for 15 minutes, 3 times per day, and during night something heat, could be hot bottle, could be the heat pad, but make sure you can put one heat pad for 24 hours. Okay, so every 2 days, not every night. And after these 3 days, the day number 4, depends if you're feeling much better, the pain is not that intense, it's not that crazy, you can start to slowly move your area. Not go to gym, not go to yoga mat and do a down dog plank position, just gentle, simple stretching to start to move your muscles. Because otherwise, if you go extreme the other way, I'm not doing anything, that's it, I'm not exercising, I'm not moving, just waiting until my pain gone and my shoulder muscles, rotator cuff is going to recover. Wrong. It's gonna be very stiff. This is very different joint. It's all muscles around. So if you don't move your arm for a few days, it's gonna be stiff, and it's gonna be really, really hard to bring back all the strength and mobility in your joint. So my advice for you, from my own experience, which I've got right now, I'm not joking, this is what's happened to me. I enjoy myself, and that's it. This is my day number 5. I've done this exercise yesterday, and I'm sharing my own experience with you, and I know works because I'm just checking on myself. Okay, so everything can help everybody is what I like to do. Just share everything what I experience, and yeah, really works. So don't go to gym, don't go for leg work. Just rest. The best, just lie on one side. So you've got this shoulder one, which is the injured one, a little bit higher. So you've got this little bit of elevation in your arm. And the first cool packs, they are really, really helpful. But on the day 3rd, the pain was just unbelievable. The first day, second day, yeah, was hard, but the day 3 was really, really bad, and I was worried. Yeah, it is getting worse, but that was the day 3. Day 4 was much more better, but I was using cool pack, 15 minutes, 3 times per day, and I keep my arm warm during the night, and yeah, it's much better. Still, it's not because of pain, it's just the stiff muscles. It's not that painful, it's more like stiff muscles, really. I can feel a pull sensation, it's no pain. So that's my advice for you. If you injure yourself, if you tear your muscles, or you just overwork with your muscles, which I did, and that's my advice. Just rest, use the cool pack, use the heat pad, and day 4, try to do some easy stretching. Link is gonna be here. So thank you guys, and wishing you all full recovery, quick and full recovery. Let me know how you're doing. Leave the comments below the video, and if you like it, please click the icon with the thumbs up, and you can subscribe and click the notification bell to be informed of everything what's going on my channel. So thank you for now. Be safe.